If you're looking for a grilled lamb chop recipe that is simple, delicious, and very impressive, you came to the right place. We're going to need 1 cup of freshly chopped parsley, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of oil. I use avocado oil, and that makes our rub. And we're gonna need 1 kg or 2 pounds of rack of lamb or lamb chops. Let's cover both of the sides with our rub. Make sure you massage well the rub into the meat. And we're gonna let the meat sit and marinate in a rub for 30 minutes. Now let's slice our chops for individual portions, cutting between each bone. These are so fresh, they're gonna be delicious. On a medium-high heat pan, we're gonna put the chops in. I'm not adding oil because we have the fats from the lamb chop and there's oil in the marinade. We want to hear that great sizzle. Feel free to add your favorite vegetables to grill with those chops. I'm gonna put a little onion that I had. Let those lamb chops cook for about 4 minutes, then flip them over and cook the other side for about 4 extra minutes. Just make sure you don't overcook them. They should have this nice golden brown color. I'm serving those lamb chops with homemade mashed potatoes, fresh green salad, and those grilled onions. I'm going to pair my chops with my fresh homemade chimichurri sauce, and you can find the recipe for this one on the right top corner of the video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for weekly recipes.